Hi, pretty girl. Lucy, come here. Oh, here she goes. Lucy, where are you going? I'm right here. Here you go. Right here, Lulu. Lucy. Hey, I'll bring that over here. Maybe she'll come after it. Ready? Here you go. She does like that thing, doesn't she? You want to come get it? You want to come play Perplexus? You going to come play Perplexus? Come and get it. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. She's going to get Perplexus. Oh, no. What happened? Yay! Oh! Go get it, sissy. What is that? What is that thing doing? What? Yay, Lucy! You got it!
I did an idea, Mom.
You got an idea? What's that?